This is how to transfer playlists from Spotify onto YouTube Music. So let's get started. One thing to note that this method is easier if you have a YouTube Premium account, but even if you don't, it will work. So the first step is to open YouTube Music and then click on your account icon that's on the top right. Then here click on Settings, select Privacy and Data, and you'll find this option, Transfer Playlists from Other Apps. It's the last option. So if you have YouTube Premium, you'll see this page, and if you don't, then they'll take you to Google, and from there, you'll get a link to do this. Then over here, we have all these options. So select Spotify. And the next step is to connect our Spotify account with YouTube Music. So just click on Let's Start. Over here, you'll have to log into your Spotify account. After that, we'll have to give permission to tune my music. So this is the service which will transfer all our playlists from Spotify to YouTube. Just click on Agree. And from here, we can decide what all we want to transfer. So if you scroll through this list, you'll see all of your playlists which you have on Spotify. And on the left, you can check or uncheck these boxes based on what all you want to transfer. So for now, I'll just show you an example with one of them. Let's say I only want to transfer this one playlist. Then I've selected it and I'll click on Transfer to YouTube Music. Then the next step is to select our account for YouTube Music. So select that. Again, we'll have to give permission. And now it's taking place. The songs from these two playlists are getting transferred and it's done. In a matter of seconds, all our songs have come to YouTube Music. So now I'll go back and let's see. Over here, as you can see, these two playlists have come. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.